Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get candy blossom and grow a garden. The candy blossom tree was originally released during a limited time Eastern event and grow a garden. Unfortunately, the seed is no longer available, which means new players can obtain it through regular gameplay anymore. But here's the good news. You can still get the plant itself through trading. Players who managed to get the candy blossom back then are now growing it and trading it with others. Since it's considered rare, it holds high value, often costing billions, sometimes even trillions, depending on the server economy. Your best chance of getting one is to trade something of equal worth. Occasionally, generous players might give it away for free, but that's rare. So if you're serious about getting it, prepare a strong offer. To start, join public servers and keep an eye out for gardens that already have candy blossoms. Reach out, make your offer, and hopefully, you'll be able to add this exclusive plant to your collection. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.